Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make slime. And yeah, let's get started.
Because today we're gonna slime. I'm gonna sell slime today.
Yeah, my sister is selling slime. Whoever's wants slime, please comment down below and we'll get tea. Okay, let's go. So first thing we're gonna do is
Glue.
we need glue. Yeah, where's the glue?
Right
Show me
here.
glue. Giant glue. Oh yeah. And you pour how much?
How much you want? I'm gonna put a little more because it doesn't put too much.
That's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it in my plate to here. We have plastic plates and
Because-
plastic spoons. So
It looks cool because the spoon is clear.
yeah.
You could put a little more. Stop. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It looks mine is bigger because it's like spreading around. Now we can mix it a little bit. You want yours pink, purple, or clear?
Wait, you put the food coloring first?
No, sometimes.
Okay, now what?
You want to make your clear or what color? Or clear? Purple?
Well, let's do that first.
Yeah, let's do first clear and purple.
Okay. Oh, white.
Okay, now we're going to add our activator. Yours look a lot because I made slime yesterday.
So we're gonna add our activator. Oh, you made a whole smart.
Add it little by little. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just add a little bit. Like you feel like you're like putting something in your eye, like a little bit.
Oh, like eye drops.
Yeah.
Ah.
And you see it. It's coming
Together.
Oh, keep mixing. Was it swimming or mixing?
Keep swimming. Just
Keep
keep swimming. Just keep
I love that.
swimming, swimming.
And they cannot find her.
Yeah. Do I add more activator?
Okay.
And then I'll have the slime. This is my first time doing slime.
Not your first time.
Yeah, it's my, I don't know how many times.
I always make slime with you like for a little because sometimes you have to do something. You can put more if you want to.
Did them more?
Yeah.
I think my other poquito.
Oh, I tell you to take your glasses off.
I look okay. Doesn't bother
I
me.
thought you took it off.
Oh.
I'm like, oh, take it off.
Oh. People wear glasses.
I wear glasses, but what happened to them?
You broke it.
No. Shh.
Okay. Does this look okay?
You can mix fast if you want. It looks cloudy. Mine doesn't.
Hmm. I don't know how much activity
You
to
could
add.
add more.
Huh? Poquito?
Yeah.
I look. You know. Because I don't want to mess it up either, so. Wow.
I'm trying to get the size right. I'm not hungry. It looks so cool. Look it. You know what Louis live? You remember he was pretending he was gonna eat the slime, and he liked the smell of glue. I don't. Cause I don't like smell of glue. Like I don't like to smell it. Kind of.
Okay. Is that good?
You wanna touch it? I'm just kidding. It's not ready yet.
Do I add a little more or is that good?
You can more.
What?
How much you want? I put a lot because I want to get like slime already. Yeah, you see it's getting like together.
Together. Wow. I like it.
I wish.
And you can add more activate. When you do your slime, you can add more activator.
No, that looks like a piece of hair.
Wow.
We just washed the table because we're gonna put our slime in the table.
I don't know what's going on over there, so
Ignore that.
ignore that background. Whoa. I don't need to add more slime. I mean, activator.
If you want to, because it's gonna be sticky.
You're right.
Look at, you see it, you feel like it's ready, but it's not. Look at, it's sticky, don't touch it.
Yeah, she's an expert of making slime, so I'm just...
I don't know how I got into slime. I don't remember.
It all started when she was watching slime videos, and
I
then she did it.
I was looking at it, I was like, what is that? I was like, I want to try it. So I told my mom, can you take me to the store? And I made it. I was like, oh, this is fun.
Slime is fun, actually.
Huh?
It was
Like
fun.
if you're bored, you can make some. That's why I get bored. I don't find nothing to do.
Sometimes her cousin will come, so...
Yeah, I make slime with my cousin sometimes.
Wow! This is so fun.
You see?
Play with.
Yours is not sticky. Not that much. You just need to add a little bit. Mira mío. Se murió.
Hey, this is like... It looks like snow.
I know. Right now it's cloudy because I don't know why. I forgot. And because if you mix it,
Add a little bit.
it's kind of sticky. When it's not ready, I'm mad. I'm just kidding. I'm mad. I'm just kidding.
Just kidding. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
You could
slime.
touch it. You could check if it's sticky or not, or you could add a little more.
I don't know why slime is so fun.
I got happy with it already because I was like, I want to make slime because I got used to it. That's why. Because you know how to I don't like. There's nothing to do. Like, I want someone to come and their mom's like, no. I make this, but not the time. You could touch it if it's not sticking there. Yours is so fast.
And this is like my fourth slime doing this.
Yeah.
Fourth.
Yeah, fourth time. Just add a little more, like, put it,
A dot.
no.
That's what I added it. Look at it.
Mine is, it's gluey.
So add how much to this?
A little bit. Yeah, more. Yeah. Try to, like, get the bottom, because,
The bottom side?
yeah, the bottom. It's up.
How would I get the bottom side?
I don't know.
Just mix it all wrong.
Just keep watering. Just keep.
She said to get the bottom one, but
You need to if you want to.
I don't know how to get the bottom one. So.
Yeah, need it. Look at.
Wow, look at
Wow. Ew. Kikita.
this.
That's what he says. Even when he makes bread and he pretends he's making a nose with her long hair.
This is so cool.
Do you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Me too. Then your slime's gonna be dirty.
Yeah, you don't want your slime to be dirty.
Yeah. I need to add more activator. How is not getting like?
It's getting stuck to the plate.
I'm sorry. Mine is too. Touch it. Check is ready. Leave the spoon like this and boop. It looks ready, kind of.
Kinda, sort of, maybe. Okay.
It feels good, kind of.
Okay.
And now we have to go in with our hands and check there's nothing in
Come on.
it.
See. There's no soap on it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see the soap. I just washed it with water.
So
But that ain't no scroll.
good. You already asked me that. Oh, yeah, no. I good.
We're doing at school today.
Nah.
How's math going?
Kind of good.
You getting the hang of it?
I don't know how I get stressed about it. I
Don't be stressed about it. Okay,
don't know.
now.
I broke it.
Oh.
I'm gonna go in with my hands. Where do I put my spoon at?
You have it on your hand.
I know. I said, where do I put my spoon at?
Oh, I thought you said, where's my spoon? I was like, it's right in your hand.
Oh God,
You have nails. Very difficult with
this
nails.
is so good. I know. Go in with your hands.
I think yes.
It's okay. It will come off.
Because you're right. So hard.
People, if they have nails, they do it like this. They don't do it like this. I don't know why. It's so weird. To like not get them inside their nose. But it's so easy to take it out. Dude, look, that looks like ice.
I know.
It's almost summer. Summer is May.
Yeah.
That's why all the pools open.
May.
All in May. May 1st. Is it? Look at that.
Yeah, can you roll it up?
Huh?
Can you roll it up?
Huh?
Can you, like, touch it?
It's good. It's cold.
I don't forget it, like, what I mean, like that.
Let me put this on there. Put your spoon in.
What?
Yours is so good.
Oh. Yours too.
Can you see the activator? Your activator looks heavier.
Right?
Because you want me to get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the way she does it, so. And every time I try and do it, it won't go with me.
It doesn't know you.
It's not that. Sometimes I'll mess it up.
I know.
So.
Yours is so good.
How did I do?
Good. I give you a 10.
Yay. An A straight to
A plus.
A plus. You passed the test.
Yeah. You can have a napkin, just like move the camera.
Yeah, so summer's coming. I don't know what you guys are gonna do for summer.
And we're gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
Is that hair?
I don't know what's that.
That's not hair. Looks like the hair.
But it is not.
It's like the white hair. But it's not white.
I hate when the glue gets stuck on the plates.
Yeah, me too. I get that.
I bought her like literally like trays of for slime. I like a big old bucket of Home Depot, and I put all the slime in there.
I like, it's slime. And you're like, no. I'm like, okay.
I guess I gave up.
Yeah, I guess
I should like
because I said it's slime and you said no.
I know, I'm trying to trick you.
In Christmas I said, I knew it. Maybe that's Kim.
Who is it?
It's Kim. She's hiding.
Kim, what are you hiding? You're always hiding.
I'm sorry. She already knows.
You cannot. Hey, Kane fucking chewed up your shoes. Oh, hell no. You look sick. Eat sopita. Mommy said eat sopita. What? Eat sopita, nigger. Nigger?
You want it? I'm going to put out a little bit activator.
They did not. Excuse that.
Okay. You think it's sticky? You think it? Oh, it's good.
That's good. Right.
You want activator? Okay. Put this on like right here. Let's put activator. Yeah, look, it feels weird. Oh, let's put it like that.
Let me take a shower. Poor dogs.
I know. No punta.
Come here. I got you now.
Mocha Princess over there. Pregnant over there. Look, Mama.
Princess.
Don't grab her so fast because she's pregnant.
Let's go.
Pregnant again. I don't know how she got pregnant so fast. She had her babies and boom, pregnant. I know OC. I think OC wants babies a lot. And that's not how we get so much babies. Dog babies. Dude, but they're so cute. I just wanted them to have boo boo. Would you keep it or not?
Here. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Maybe.
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 Let Nene meet her family.
I'm bringing them on. But she's not staying.
I know.
Hey, where'd Mom go?
So,
I don't
Right
know.
now?
I don't know.
Okay, let's switch. I want for yours.
Okay, wait. Let me make it unsticky.
Ew, look big. You know what he said? He said my toes.
My chichis. So it has to feel like this. Very nice.
But
But I think.
mine feels hard. I don't like it.
Well, you have to put more activator in it.
No, it's hard. Hard. You know what's hard?
Yes, I know.
You have to put activator.
But it makes it hard.
But no.
That's a looky.
I think so. I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know. I don't know.
He's here?
Yes.
Yeah, Victor.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
I already, got here minutes ago.
Wow, it's not that hard. It's like hard. Can you want to make sandwiches? Oh, she's gonna eat. I forgot. Eat somewhere because maybe slime is gonna go inside your food.
Me.
And mommy me chinga.
Chinga.
There's a piece of slime inside here.
So, yeah, no.
I like it, but not much.
Okay, let's add some activity right here.
How is your place so clean?
I don't know. That's
So
a very
weird.
good question.
And I look at my.
It's a dirty.
I like mine.
Chinga. Just kidding. Nice.
Look at. Oh, shh.
This is so fun.
I know we're gonna make a purple one.
Purple?
Yeah. But light purple, not dark.
You're not free.
I did it. It was already like that. I like to clean our room.
Probably mom.
Okay, then I'll bounce. Okay, we could put it in the ground because there's no like nada. So we're gonna try.
Let's make sure that the table is clean.
Make sure right here.
Because you don't want nothing on your slime.
And that's
You're going to sell it.
Yeah. I saw a video. This girl, she got slime, and there was hairs in there.
Ew.
Okay, let's do.
Trade.
Not
off?
forever.
I know.
Remember they said not forever.
Not forever. I don't know how to make that.
Oh, that's easy. I'm gonna kill you.
Why? You want to fix it?
No.
No?
No. I think so because I
so?
put activate.
I can fix it.
Yeah, fix it for me.
I'm telling you, you said no.
I think your activate is thicker. Not thicker. I mean
Softer?
yes. No.
I don't know.
I don't know. I forgot how you say it.
More insecure?
I don't know. I forgot.
I don't know. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Activator, work your magic.
I want to watch that movie. A little girl turned the big girl to a little girl. You know that movie?
I don't know.
She's a girl. She's tall and she says she's rich and all that. And then this girl, she has a stick and she turns small. The other girl.
Is it in the theaters?
Yeah. But it's going to come out. I don't know what.
Oh, it hasn't come out?
No. I don't know.
Oh, this is so... Whoa! See, that's why I like it when she gets slime.
I want to have a slime table.
Huh?
I have a slime table in my dad's house.
It's getting there.
Yeah, yeah.
Paquita.
I'm the key.
Paquita.
Wait, shh. Yours doesn't do click. Barely. Barely. The slime flew over there. Alright.
So rough. I don't know why.
That's weird. You just messed it up.
I didn't mess it up. I was trying to fix it.
No, just play with it. Don't put activator. Nah, just. You're good.
I
And
don't know
then-
why JFR just comes so soft. Ah. Maybe because there's so much glue.
I could put a little glue. Let's see my activator. Okay,
That glue.
I put a little bit. I promise.
There. That's, or a little bit more.
Remember?
Poquito. Right there. Okay, there. Yeah!
I know.
Hey, you can.
Oh,
Now we're gonna fill up this over.
I barely got this yesterday. Watch, I finished it yesterday. Today.
It's crazy.
Watch, I saw a lot and I'm gonna give you never.
No.
Mom said she's gonna bring her friends' kids.
Yeah, that's what
Her,
I just heard.
Wait, what?
mom's friends' kids.
Who's friend kid?
Mom's.
Who's
Friends.
the friend?
I don't
I don't
know. I don't know. She's gonna bring mom's friends. She's gonna bring her kids.
So that they can buy slime.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Kim.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Wait.
Like a lot of kids are coming.
Yeah. So Kimi can have friends to play with.
I don't like playing.
I know
That's
she doesn't.
I know, she likes reading books. Which is not a bad thing.
Yeah. That's
It's
how
okay.
you get smart.
Yeah.
I read books. You know how much points I have?
Ah,
1.8.
Good job. I told you.
I check I put my password so fast of Vera. I'm gonna check if she take my points off. I'm like, oh, they're good. Because she didn't take them out.
Yeah, because we're not supposed to do that.
Shit. Oh, that's so pretty.
Why do you do that?
Let me see. What? Ew, this is like a
But it is kind of easy to do. What do you say?
Just play with it and all that.
Oh, no, okay, I pray with it. Eric.
I mean, I don't think so. We're gonna sell that.
Oh, no.
Maybe it's hard because I don't know why. I can make like a stress ball.
Ah.
What?
Well, I'm trying to fix it. Okay?
It's not gonna work.
Hey. You don't know that.
I do know that.
It's add right here. Oh, that's what I did.
What?
I add it here in the bottom, and then I flipped it over, and I add it over here.
Oh,
That's why my thing is so soft.
you're so smooth. And then we're gonna put them in a little egg.
Because Easter's
Honey,
coming.
I get it. I'm gonna fill this one. I'm gonna leave yours.
Oh. Okay. That's the wick. I'll tell you.
I made this one by myself yesterday.
Oh,
It
okay.
has glitter because in the bowl had like glitter from the other side.
So don't be like, okay, so. Like it like this. Okay.
So it's gonna be like this.
It's almost getting there.
Okay.
So, if your slime is like
Rough, like rough.
you would add, you spread it out like a tortilla,
Yeah,
Like that.
let me like.
and you go like this,
And then you like flip it like around.
and you like that,
And yeah.
like a pancake,
Ew, that was nasty.
like a pancake. And, you
And
just-
then we're gonna leave the slime set like for like 4 weeks. No, 4 days. 4 days or 5 days. However we want. It's gonna be clear. I like it clear because I don't know why.
Well, like him.
Okay. Don't move it, then you're gonna drop it.
Stop, damn it. What did you do? I love you.
You see how you hear this one? It's clicking. That's the best one. It's kind of sticky. I use this activator. I'm gonna put
Hey, watch your lip.
put activator because I don't know why.
You add it on the corners too. So.
I want to know how you do that.
What?
You stretch it and you throw it like this. Look it. You stretch it and you throw it and you put it back into your other hand. Like this. Look it. But I don't know how to do it. Stretch it and you put it like that. I don't know how to do that. That's hard. Oh. Gotcha. Oh, shoot.
Okay, so I'm put that.
This one I made yesterday.
I don't know. Tomorrow I'm gonna go.
Workout.
Yes, I'm gonna go work out.
Do you record if you work out?
When I work out, no, but I should do that.
No,
Why not?
that's weird. People are gonna be staring at you.
Okay.
And that's weird because I don't like how people like stare like at you. That's creepy.
But it can give some women out there some tips, you know?
Tips?
Like how to work out,
Oh.
how to, you know,
Like,
how to work out correctly, how to, you know, you don't want to overweight.
Just say.
Well, not overweight, but I'm not like carry weights a lot, you know.
I'm selling this slime purple.
Okay, can I change it? You kitty.
It was getting to get.
Whoops.
I don't think so. We're gonna sell this one.
Yeah, this is the stir spot.
Yeah.
And who wants a stir spot?
Oh. I don't know where to go. And bring the eggs.
The eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Not
one.
like real eggs, like Easter eggs.
I know. So this one. Oh, maybe if you add a little bit more blue ribbon.
Are you for real?
I'm for real.
Yeah. No, you're not.
Well, what do you if you add that?
Inside there
Yeah.
with that water.
Yeah. You want to try that?
That's gonna make it harder, and kids are not gonna buy it.
You're right.
So leave it like that and just play with it and all that. Not like stretch it, like pretend it's like stretch.
You're right.
Bring the eggs. Bring the eggs.
Oh, nice. I don't have to get up. What?
Wow, it's so clear.
And I'll tell you, come and see me. I like my slime. I'm impressed. I don't know what I did, literally. I just messed with it.
There's a hair in this side.
Hey.
I'm gonna take it out.
I don't know what I did, literally. I just messed with it. And then got like that.
Get it. Ew.
Okay.
I don't know whose hair is that.
Okay, I think that's good now.
No, take it off.
I think it was Kim's hair.
Take it off.
No, yeah. Okay, I think it's good now. I like it.
That's good right now. And get any egg you want.
Should we do the pinguino? Okay, the
Chicken.
Or should we do
A carrot.
There's a carrot and there's a chick.
And there's a bunny.
And also the bunny. Because you know Easter's coming. So I think I'm gonna go with, I think there's a lot of bunnies.
No.
No? How many bunnies are there? 2?
Yeah. Two.
Well, you're gonna do bunny, no?
No.
Uh,
Yeah, there's 2 bunnies.
Okay, so
No, there's nothing else. There's only carrot, chick, or bunny.
okay, I'm gonna go with chick.
Chick.
Yep.
I broke it.
I don't know. It keeps doing that sound.
I know, that scared me.
I hate.
Put this right here.
Yep.
I want to make a little more because it's like here. It's okay. Who cares? Then we're gonna make the. Oh, sure.
Oops.
Are you?
Hey, maybe you can make it softer. I thought it had a. I just opened it like. I was like, oops. Whoopsie.
Just like get stuck in the table. I don't know why. Like look at people do this so they have nails. I don't know why. Like to not like get it stuck inside your nail. Yeah, that's so very nice. Okay, after you're
Okay,
done
no
with
more of
that.
that.
Wait, look at you. Wait.
How do I add it back?
Oh, I don't know. Just be careful. Don't make it get in the plate. This is gonna be stressful. I see that.
Hey. What?
And then do it slow because you're gonna drop it and then see.
Yay.
Okay, and I'm gonna do that.
Okay, no more of that. You see that? Oh.
No.
Got a, oh, excuse me.
Let me see.
Play with it.
You wanna play with the purple?
Yeah. Oh my god, this is so cool.
I made that yesterday.
Hey, why do you make your slime? Yesterday you made your slime like this, and now you made it like that. Oh! Oh! Hey, that could be a stress ball. So cool.
Wait.
Boing,
Boing,
boing, boing.
boing,
Oh,
boing.
which one?
Put it inside your egg.
What?
This.
Okay.
Oh, look it.
So no food coloring then? You gonna make them light purple? You don't have other colors?
No.
Wow.
And we're gonna leave you like for if you don't want to play with it, just put it in there. What you want yours in it? Chick?
Chicken. Oh, let me.
A chicken?
Yeah, the chick. I cleaned it.
Wait, look. Wait, what you heard this tonight? Oh hell no! I run. I think this one is just gonna be like this one.
Cut it in half.
Yeah.
Nice.
So here's it. It looks weird because it's like coming down.
Barely coming down.
It looks like a stomach. Dim, 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 dim.
Ding, ding, ding.
So it's gonna be like that for a little bit. And I'll show you guys another. I'm gonna put this in a carrot. Carrot.
Carrots. I think we're gonna. Whoa! Excuse me.
I don't think this piece is gonna fit. I'm gonna take some out and then throw some in the trash. Oh,
No, that's perfect carrot.
perfect carrot.
Okay, now. This is the one that she made not too long ago. This is yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And it pretty came out good. It's very fun to play with. Okay, so put it back. And then
I'm gonna take some out. This is perfect. You know from the Mr. Grinch?
yeah,
Perfect.
perfect.
She made he made something for a girl, like a little girl. Like I don't know how you do it.
For Christmas.
I hate Christmas. That's him right there. I hate it. I hate
Oh, so
it.
you would cut it?
Yeah, you cut it and then you put it in the head. There you go. That worked. Now I'm gonna throw this in the trash. Or not. Just leave it. And let's make our purple one. Like, let me see like. Mhm. Like it in there.
Oops. Okay, now start off with another one.
A purple one.
Purple one.
Yeah, and the purple.
Yeah.
So we stick over here. Get other plate.
Huh?
Get 2 more plates.
Two more plates. You don't
Yeah,
want to
because those are broken.
yeah.
It's gonna be faster. We'll show you all the eggs in the end.
Yeah.
And bring the purple food coloring.
It's right here. Pink.
We're gonna use this purple. Oh. We're gonna use this
Purple.
purple food color. It's gonna be hard to take out. Kind of.
Sort of.
Okay.
Neat.
Start.
You want to grab some other spoons?
Yeah, sure.
Or you want to use the same ones?
Start at once.
Okay.
This makes sense. Oh shoot, too much. And remove this. I put too much glue.
Fine. Maybe this time it would come out
Pretty good.
soft.
Hold on. I see something.
Mm-hmm. There's nothing on my plates.
That's sick. Look it. Look it. Look it. Look, this first pour you go. How much you want? Yeah, yeah.
Cover those.
Look it. Look it. Right.
Nice.
Mm.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add our food color. No, like paint.
You're not. I thought you were supposed to activate it.
Sometimes I pour paint first. Oh, sometimes I close the glue.
Si no se tira.
No, I'm gonna get mad.
Yeah, like
You see, it's hard to take off.
Well, take off the lid.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay. That's better. Not gonna come out like that. You interfere. Stick it out.
Ew. I think I put too much.
Okay, just take it out.
There you go.
Shall I take it out?
It's gonna come out like dark. And you want it dark? Do you?
What?
What happened? I don't know. What happened to your nail?
Fell.
Oh, okay. And it looks, this is the best part.
See, I told you. Okay, what do we do now?
No, hold on. Can you give me a napkin?
No, just kidding.
And let's move the spoons out of the way. Out of the way. Okay, ready? This is the best part. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Do you mix it?
Oh, what the heck? Wow.
You have to mix it?
No.
What? What were you supposed to do?
Nothing. Look, it's so beautiful.
Okay, now we add the activator, no?
No, you had to mix the whole color.
Hey. Well, now you understood I do it.
Look it.
Nice.
That's sick. What the heck? Look it, do this to your side. Do this.
What?
Do this. And look at my hand and it got sticky.
Nice.
That's sick.
Yeah.
I added a little bit because I don't want it dark.
It's okay.
Look at mine. Mine is like this. Hers is that. Yours will be like that for a little bit, but if you like add activator, it won't be like that. I add too much. I'm like, I put too much, and I did like this, like that.
Yeah. So, it's okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's check. There's no like clear spot. Look at the little bubble. Like, look. You see something on your side?
Yeah. See?
So here's your napkin. Let me move the spoon away, like it comes out like high. I want to see.
Like, hi. Okay, I got it up. Thanks.
Did you?
Take a sip for it. You don't want nothing in your hand.
Yeah, nuts nasty. Like who will bite? No one.
Mm-hmm. What does yours look like?
Because I added a little bit.
I added a little bit too.
It looks like that for right now because
Maybe because I have paint in my spoon.
yeah.
Because I do. Okay, now we add activator.
If you want to.
Yay!
Now, just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. I was kidding. I want to use your activate because I know your slime is gonna be better.
Don't put a lot. That's probably what you did.
I didn't mean pull a lot. You pull a lot too.
No.
Look, it looks like clear spots. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. That was gonna eat it. It looks like I was gonna eat it, but I don't. It looks like I get it.
Can you use the phone to control the TV?
What are you doing on YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
I can't find. I don't. So.
The phone's on the side of the bed.
Just let her use it. We're doing slime anyway. What?
I got some of myself. If you see like black spots, maybe that's glitter. Maybe. I don't know. Like I see one right now. I think that's the glue. No, I think so. That's paint.
Yeah, then can you put it in it?
Yeah. Do you really think I'm gonna do it? Don't go in anything. I'm gonna kill you. Alright, stop, stop, stop. You want to touch mine?
How is it?
Bad. I'm scared. I just need that out.
Do you have any activator?
I do. I think they're matched together. They're crazy. Let's move that napkin. I'm still mixing mine because I don't know.
You
'Cause
want to
if
end
I-
it right here?
Huh?
You want to end it right here?
No.
No? Because then we're going to forget.
Forget what?
Say bye. That's pretty weird.
Okay, let's end it. Okay. Right now we're gonna end because then we're gonna forget to say bye.
Yeah.
So make sure to thumbs up,
Subscribe.
subscribe,
Turn on your notifications.
Notifications,
And comment how you guys think we did.
and be sweet and be happy.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.